Today, I'm going to share the unboxing and first impressions of the newly launched Xiaomi 14 Ultra Titanium Special Edition phone. It's a flagship phone with great design, sturdy build, and lots of camera accessories, and more. So, let's start with the unboxing. The phone comes in a black box with Titanium Edition, mentioned in Chinese at the bottom. This variant comes with 16GB RAM and 1TB storage. After opening the box lid, we find a 90W power adapter, Type-C to Type-A charging cable, some documentation, and a hard protective case. There's also a special protective case for photography enthusiasts. You can replace the ring with an adapter ring, which is also part of the Titanium Special Edition. The phone comes in titanium color, while the back of the case is black and plain. It has a leather-like textured plastic feel. The case border and camera ring are also in titanium color. Removing the plastic from the phone reveals a stunning design and sturdy build. The back of the phone is made of gray nanoskin material, giving it a slightly brown and gold tone. Unlike the regular variant, the frame of this special edition is made of titanium instead of aluminum alloy. The color of the frame resembles natural titanium and is similar to the previous Xiaomi 14 Pro Titanium Edition. I've already uploaded an unboxing video of that, and you can find the link in the description below. The back of the phone has a different color because the Xiaomi 14 Pro uses dragon crystal glass while the Xiaomi 14 Ultra uses technical nano leather. You can see that both have slightly different frame colors, with the 14 Pro having golden effects. The camera module ring color is different as well. In the Xiaomi 14 Pro, it's red, while in the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, it's a different color. However, the buttons and placements are similar, with a red accent on the power button in the 14 Pro. Please let me know in the comments which design you prefer. Also, I've already uploaded a detailed review video of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, with the link available in the description below. You can check it out along with comparisons to other flagship phones. When it comes to price, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra Titanium Special Edition costs £120 or $150 more than the regular variant. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.